Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create a telephone in Dress to Impress. I'm just going to be doing the adjustments first, and I'm going to recolor them at the end. So we're going to need this hat here, and for the position X at 0.20, Y at 0.15, whoops, and then Z at 0.24. And then we're going to rotate the X to 0.53, the Z to 0.75, oops, and we're going to scale it all the way to 0.21, like so. Then we're going to get this hat. We do need VIP for this. The Ushanka hat, is that how you say it? I'm just going to say this hat. Position the X at 0.21, the Y at 0, and then the Z to 0.18. Rotate the X to 0.52, and then the Z to 0.75. Then we're going to scale it all the way down to 0. Then we are going to grab this hat from the dressing rooms. So here, we're going to grab this one, and then we are going to basically put the X position at 0.19, the Y at 0, and the Z to 11. Rotate the X to 0.52, the Y to 0.36, and the Z to 0.63. Scale it all the way down to a 0. Now what you'll need to do is save it again. I'm just going to remove this dress here, and then I'm just going to save it as telephone. Save it, and then wear it again. Grab this hat again, and you're going to want to scale it again to 0.19. So you can unfortunately only do this on the free play mode. Then you're going to get these hoops over here. These medium hoops. Okay, so X 0.30, okay, Y 2.11, Z 2.19, rotate it at X 0.52 and Y at 0.41. There we go. I'm so sorry. Then we're going to grab these flower earrings, and then we are going to position the X to 0.28, Y to 0.11, Z to 0.15, and then rotate the Y to 0.41 for that. Then you will need this for the actual phone itself. Just going to find the hair for it. I think it's this one here. Wait, no, it's not. Trying to remember which one. Okay, it's this one here. This hair. Select the only bangs toggle for that. Then you are going to position the X at 0.25. Wrong one. The Y to 0.22. Z to 0.35. Rotate the X to 0.50. The Y to 0.38. And the Z to 0.46. Then we are going to just leave the scale here. That's for the phone line, I guess. Get this thick headband. This is for the phone part. For this, you are going to position the X at 0.26, the Y to 0.48, the Z to 0.58. We're going to then rotate the Y to 0.44, and then the Z to 0.63. We're then going to scale it to 0.24. Then you are going to want to get this flower over here, and you're going to adjust the X to 0.35, the Y to 0.45, and the Z to 0.45, and you're going to scale it down to 0.18. Then you are also going to get this, and then you're going to position the X to 0.30, the Y to 0.35, whoops, Z to 0.47, and then rotate the Y to 0.57, and you're going to scale it to 0.24. I'm going to kind of color everything and do the pose. I'll show you the pose later, and I'll be right back. Once you're done coloring it, I did use the Diva Walk Pack. I think it just makes it a little bit better. And then you're just going to go to the Emote Pose Pack and use the head scratch emote to make it look like you're holding the phone. And that is how you can create the phone on Dress to Impress. It is a little bit tedious, I must say, but it's super cute, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!